Hi, my name is Kevin Lopez Pelaez, and I'm an undergraduate student in the College of Science at Florida Atlantic University. As a psychology major, I have a special interest in learning more about the interaction that exists between government and people and utilizing a psychological approach to better understand the American political landscape. Through these interests, I conducted public opinion research in the College of Business through FAU's Business and Economic Polling Initiative with my research titled American Sentiments on Behavioral and Cognitive Qualifications Within Elected Officials. With the increasing polarization of dialogue within the American political atmosphere, as well as the increased interest and awareness in mental health and acuity, and especially how that relates to public officials, I wanted to answer the following questions. 1. Should there be psychological testing in place for all public officials? And 2. How likely is the conduct of public officials to affect the way individuals are voting? Utilizing Amazon Mechanical Turk with online surveys, I was able to collect 130 responses. I then used IBM's statistical package for the social sciences to analyze this data and cross-tabulate it by the demographics. So looking at the first question of should there be psychological testing in place for all public officials, I am able to reject the null hypothesis as I found a statistically significant difference between respondents' age at the 1% significance level, seeing that over 75% of respondents believe that yes, there should be psychological testing in place for public officials. Moving forward to the next question of how likely is the conduct of public officials to affect the way individuals are voting, I am once again able to reject the null hypothesis as I found a statistically significant difference between respondents' party affiliation at the 5% significance level, seeing that over 30% of respondents said that they believe it is very likely for their vote to be impacted by the conduct and behavior of public officials. So through this research, not only does it further demonstrate the necessity we have to promote interdisciplinary study between psychology and political science, we can also see the application it has in the political landscape. With that, we see the implications and future application it has as to the consequences that can be brought about by legislative or executive action requiring or necessitating public officials or candidates for public office to undergo conduct or psychological testing. Furthermore, this study also shows the necessity for continued study and engagement with public opinion and public sentiment, and seeing the perspectives and opinions that are created based off of the actions, conduct, and mental fitness of public officials. With that, I want to reiterate once again, my name is Kevin Lopez Pelaez. I'm a psychology major in the College of Science at Florida Atlantic University. Thank you so much for viewing my research, and please, should you have any questions at all, I look forward to your feedback and hearing more about them.